Hello, I'm Tracy. Welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to show you this cake. Since this took me so long to make, I have broken the video up into 4 parts.
This is part number 3, the middle tier. A couple days beforehand, I placed a template around a 12-inch cake, and I piped several triangular lattice designs, and some extra just in case. After piping all the crisscross lines, I created a small border, then I filled it with blood consistency icing. And since I did that a couple days beforehand, they're nice and dry, and I'm going to use some thick royal icing to glue them onto the tier. Ooh, this is why I made extra. Always make extra. Just cleaning it up a little bit with my paintbrush. Once those are all on there, I'm going to use the number 18 star tip. I'm going to create some barrels just along the bottom of that lattice. I'm going to taper them so it's thin on the end and thick in the middle. And then between the lattice, I'm just going to pipe a small shell border. I'll continue to do that all around the tier. With a number 1 round tip and a small template, I'm going to pipe some guidelines just around the bottom where I'll be piping another barrel. Then, moving to a number 14 star tip, I'm using an up and down motion to create another design underneath that barrel. And I don't know what that design is called. With that same tip, I'm also going to line the barrels near the lattice work and create a couple scrolls. Clean it up again. I'm going to add another little scroll right on the edges here. Back to a number 18 star tip, I'm going to line the bottom barrel. I'm trying to get it as close to the edge as possible, but you can still see the design underneath.
Disclaimer! The techniques I show you in this video may or may not be the correct techniques to use if you were to enter a competition yourself.
Thank you for watching. I invite you to continue to part 4.